Alright, so we're gonna ride the elevator outside of the museum, gift shop, and the Solomon Theater at the National WWII Museum in New Orleans, Louisiana. It is a ThyssenKrupp with newer traditional fixtures. We're gonna see in the floor, I believe. So we're gonna call it and go diagonally up. Nope, just kidding. I think the button's a little bit loose, and I cannot seem to rotate the cap, but anyways, we'll head to 2 now. Huh, the 2's got a metal button, but the 1 button doesn't. It's got a Dover buzz. So anyways, here we're up at 2. Here's a little message in the door. And I'm gonna see if I can make it say going down. Nope, can't seem to make it say going down unless you actually call it from the outside, but anyways, let's get our cab view here. And look at the design for this elevator. It's like it's got the walls are like very wavy, as you can see. So it's kind of a wacky design there. Except this one is just plain stainless steel. So anyways, there's that message on the doors. Here's your indicator up there, certificate of inspection, fixtures. It's got a either traditional or Signal 4 button for the first floor, but the second floor it's got a round metal button. And there's your phone. And we're gonna ring the bell here. And we're gonna let it close before it goes into nudge mode and gets pissed at me. So anyways, there it goes. And that's it.